Myself Dr.Sourav Debnath. Today I will discuss about first of all, what do you mean by electric drive? Electric drive is a system that employed for motion control. This kind of drive is used anywhere in mechanical system, in chemical system. In mechanical system, for tie the motion control is required. For any car or any electric drive, any kind of drive system, motion control is required. Similarly, in electrical system, there is very much requirement of the motion control. Say, a train is a drive system. For operating the train, there is requirement of the motion control of the motor for its speed control, usual run of the train. That's why this kind of drive is employed. Those drive is used in electrical system is called electrical drive. With the help of this drive, the motion can be smoothly controlled and there is no pollution. And another advantage of electrical drive is it is very much instantaneous. Let's get the example. In mechanical system, there is also a braking system. In the mechanical braking system, there is involvement of wear and tear and so much pollution, and most of all the braking is not instantaneous. But in case of electrical braking system or electrical drive, you can easily control the motion in a fraction of second. Now let's see the figure where how electrical drives work. This is the block diagram of electrical drive. In case of electrical drive, we are wishing to control the speed of the load. Okay. In machine, there is, you know that in the machine there is simply motor and motor is connected to the load. The purpose of the motor is it is taken electrical energy and given mechanical work. But in case of drive, the motor is getting power from the power modulator. Okay, motor is not directly connected with the source. From this, power is fed to the motor with the help of this power modulator, and power is fed to the motor. Motor is connected to the load, and as per the rotation of the motor, the load is driven. And the speed of the load is sensed by this sensing unit, and the sensing unit directly connected to the control unit where input command is given. That means if the speed of the load is required 1500 rpm, then you should give the command in this control unit that we have required the speed 1500 rpm. If the speed is 1500 rpm, then there is smooth power will be flowed from the power modulator to the motor. If the speed of the load is say 1400 rpm, then extra power is fed to the motor via this power modulator. This kind of selection, this kind of decision is taken by the power modulator. That is how much amount of power will be fed to the motor. And there is another purpose of this power modulator is if you have used DC motor but the source is AC, then the power modulator directly convert this AC power into DC power, and this DC power is fed to the motor. So power, in that case, power modulator function is as rectifier unit. Not only this power modulator takes all kind of protection of the motor. If there is any kind of speed reversal or any kind of huge power requirement of the motor or any short circuit, then power modulator simply cut out the supply, and hence it saves the whole system. This is the basic block diagram of this drive unit, where motor is connected to the load and power is getting to the motor via this power modulator, and power modulator protect the motor and give or feed the any kind of power to the motor which is required by the motor unit. And there is additionally a closed loop control system by which the speed of the motor is smoothly controlled and the overall drive system is operated. Thank you. This was the basic introduction on electric drive.